Welcome back to our channel Digital Tuligal Tube. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, has now officially announced the syllabus for all the ICC 2020 competition, though the exact details such as date, topic, time of competition to be announced later. However, the interested students can take a look at the syllabus for all the contests. If you already registered for the competition, please watch this video carefully to know what are the topic and the points to remember. The general rules and regulations of ICC 2020 issued by ISRO are as follows. The competition is open to the school students studying in India. The participation in ICC 2020 is without any fee. All competition are individual events. Participation in these competitions can be done from home and participants need not travel anywhere. The affiliation of the students for a particular class category shall be based on their enrollment during the academic year 2020-2021. The identity card issued by the institution during the academic year 2019-2020 shall be taken as reference. In case the results are awaited for academic year 2019-2020, it may be deemed that the participant has already passed the examination and has got enrolled to the next grade during the academic year 2020-2021. This condition is applicable only for the participation in ISRO Cyberspace Competition 2020 through online mode and cannot be taken as endorsement for any other purpose. Registration has to be done on the link provided at ISRO website www.isro.gov.in/ICC-2020 on or before June 24, 2020. A unique registration number will be generated against successful registration. One individual can register and participate in only one competition. Name of submission file shall be same as registration number of the participant. The name of the top 500 students will be announced on ISRO website and the merit certificates will be provided by email or by post. All other participants will receive participation certificate through email. The detailed procedure of the ICC 2020 shall be provided at ISRO portal. The timetable for all the competition along with probable topics shall be made available on ISRO portal shortly. For further details, please contact by phone 080-2351-5850 or by email icc-2020@isro.gov.in. The details of drawing competition are as follows. The topic of competition will be sent on registered email and available on ISRO website on stipulated day. A3 size white paper or chart paper should be used. Use water, wax or pencils color for drawing. Write registration number in the top right corner of the drawing paper. Writing the participant name, school name, etc. on the drawing paper shall make the participation invalid. The participant or parent to take clear photograph or scan the drawing and upload it at the given link on the ISRO website. Photograph in .pdf or .jpg format only. Put name of file as registration number. The drawing competition is for the classes 1 to 3 and the syllabus are viewing Earth from space, view of sky in clear night, view inside space station, human landing on Mars, space habitat on moon and varying visible shapes of moon. The details of model making or science craft competition are as follows. The topic of competition will be sent on registered email and available on ISRO website on stipulated day. Make a model by using cardboard, papers, clothes, adhesive tape, colors and gums. No other material is permitted to use. Take 1 to 4 photographs from different angles. Write text about the model and insert the photos. Maximum 2 A4 size pages. Write registration number in the top right corner of the paper. Writing the participant name, school name, etc. on the paper shall make the participation invalid. Submission has to be made in the PDF format only. Put name of file as registration number. Model making or science craft competition is for the classes 4 to 8 and the syllabus are spacecraft, space station, rovers on moon, rockets for exoplanet, launchpad for rockets, docking of satellites and societal benefit of space technology. The details of essay writing competition are as follows. The topic of competition will be sent on registered mail and available on ISRO website on stipulated day. Participants need to write the essay in Hindi or English as selected during registration. The maximum number of words for essay is 1000 words. Typed essay will not be accepted. Use A4 sheet to write the essay. Use blue or black pen or ink pen. Write registration number on the top right corner of the first page of the essay. Do not write the participant name, school name, phone number, etc. on any page of the essay. Such act can disqualify your submission. Direct text from the internet or web source may lead to disqualification. Take clear photo or scan of the essay and convert into single PDF file and submit. Put name of file as your registration number. Essay writing is for the classes 9 to 10 and for the classes 11 to 12, essay writing and quiz contest. The syllabus for essay and quiz competition are The Infinite Universe, stars and galaxy, solar systems, space science and technology, rocket and satellites, basic astronomy and cosmology, life in other planets, asteroids and comets, human space flights, space tourism, space habitat future outlook, colonies on Moon or Mars, gravitation, space debris, space application for common mass, Indian Space Program, the details of quiz competition are as follows. The modalities of the quiz competition shall be mentioned in detail on ISRO portal. Interested student, if you not registered, please go through link given in the description box to get into registered on or before 24 June. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.